In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up Vault Access on a new device, step by step in under 3 minutes. Whether you're switching devices or just setting up Vault for the first time, this guide is going to walk you through the process quickly and easily. To start, the first thing you'll need to do is download the Vault software from the official website or app store on your new device. Once you've installed it, open the app and you'll be prompted to log in. If you're already registered, simply enter your username and password. If you're new to the software, you'll need to create an account, which involves providing an email and setting a secure password. Next, after logging in, you should be taken to the main dashboard. Here, you'll see an option for Vault Access, usually located in the Settings or Security section of the app. Tap on that to proceed. If you haven't set up Vault Access yet, it'll ask you to link your device to your account, and you'll need to confirm this action, typically through a verification code sent to your registered email or phone. Once you've entered the verification code, you'll be able to securely access your Vault on the new device. Depending on the software, you may also need to enable biometric authentication, like facial recognition or fingerprint scanning for extra security. This is an important step to make sure only you have access to your Vault. Now, if you're transferring Vault data from another device, you'll have the option to sync your information from cloud storage. It's a simple process, and all your files should automatically populate once the sync is complete. If there are any issues with syncing, double check that you're logged into the same account on both devices and that your internet connection is stable. Before we finish, I want to mention that if you want to follow along with me and experience the software for yourself, there's an exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's only available for viewers of this channel, so don't miss out. Now, to wrap it up, the key takeaway from this tutorial is that setting up Vault Access on a new device is straightforward. Just install the software, log in, verify your identity, and link your device. Don't forget to enable extra security features, like biometric access if available. As a reminder, be sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below, and try out the software for yourself. Thanks for watching.